Good morning from Prudent Prosperity. Tuesday, May the 20th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures are pointing mostly lower after major indexes move higher to start the week. S&P 500 futures are dipping 0.2% after the benchmark index extended its winning streak to 6 sessions Monday. Nasdaq futures are 0.3% lower, and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are near flat. Bitcoin is slipping to trade slightly below $105,000. Gold futures are rising slightly, and oil futures are slipping. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note is rising to trade around 4.46%. Number 2, Home Depot shares are rising 2% in pre-market trading after the hardware retailer reported better-than-expected quarterly revenue, and its CFO told CNBC the company plans to generally maintain its current prices amid U.S. tariffs. The company reported net sales increased 9% year-over-year to $39.86 billion, ahead of expectations of analysts, while adjusted earnings per share of $3.56 was in line with estimates. The company also affirmed its full-year outlook. Number 3, United Health stock is rising a further 2% in pre-market trading after the insurer's shares bounced back from a 5-year low Monday as several company insiders made purchases. United Health rose 8% yesterday after newly installed CEO Stephen Hemsley and other top officials made significant purchases of company shares. Shares had plummeted after Hemsley's predecessor Andrew Whitty resigned, and a report that the U.S. Department of Justice was investigating the firm for possible Medicare fraud. Despite Monday's gains, the stock has lost nearly half its value over the past 5 weeks. Number 4, some Wall Street strategists are betting European stocks will enjoy their best performance relative to the U.S. in at least 2 decades as the region's economic outlook improves. The Stoxx Europe 600 index is expected to end the year around 554 points, according to the average of 20 strategists polled by Bloomberg. J.P. Morgan Chase has one of the highest targets at 580, suggesting a record lead of 25 percentage points over the S&P 500 index as the bank expects the U.S. benchmark to slide. Number 5. A bill to regulate stablecoins passed a key procedural hurdle in the Senate Monday night, paving a path for final passage of legislation pushed by the crypto industry as early as this week. The bill still faces hurdles by some Democrats, including Senator Elizabeth Warren, who argued against the proposed legislation on the floor of the Senate Monday night. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.